Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you beginner's guide how to save as video GIF with inShot. So you want to create your video as a GIF file type. So it's very easy to do. Just open one of your projects or your video. Here for example, the video I want to create GIF. So all you have to do is very easy. After you edit your video, you can save and try to use the format. You can tap the format. By default the format is mp4, but you can change into the GIF format. So the GIF will lower your resolution. The maximum resolution is 480 pixels, and also the estimated size will be lower. So for example, if you by default mp4 with 4K, it will be 23 megabyte with only 2 or 3 seconds a minute of video. But if you change it to the GIF, the estimated size will be lower. Of course the resolution is low. So you can tap save button here and done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.